Hey guys, if you've ever hung doors yourself and you needed some type of support so that when you have to plane a door, it's nice and secure and in a upright position so that you can successfully plane the door. I've got like a door kind of clamp tripod, but I don't have it with me here today. So I've just thought of a way around it. If you've got a couple of sawhorses, what you can actually do is cut a couple of pieces of off-cut timber pieces and just temporarily secure them to each end of the sawhorse like this. And then from there, with your door, you can basically position it so that the blocks of timber are on the end of the door, sorry I'm moving it around a bit, but if you can see what I'm doing. And then you clamp it like that. Now these Irwin quick grips, I tell you what, they are the bomb. I bought these about 5 years ago. They are the most durable type of clamps and the most efficient way to tackle those jobs when you're on your own. When you don't have an extra pair of hands and you need to secure something, these Irwin quick grips are the best investments that you can ever make. They've gotten me out of trouble in so many ways, and I've used these for so many different purposes to get me out of a lot of sticky situations where I was on my own. But I might do some videos of those other tips where I've used these quick grips. But anyway, so we clamped that end, and now we'll move this one against here, and we'll do exactly the same thing. And when you're clamping, just think about positioning as well, because obviously you don't want an obstruction. Like this could be an obstruction, and it could be dangerous in that you brush past with your leg and you could cut it. So alternative is to switch the clamp around so that that's now no longer a sharp edge. But also think about the depth in which you need to work with your plane. Obviously, if the clamp was up here, you'd obstruct the plane coming towards the end here. So you can give yourself about 2 inches roughly, and that's this door here is 720 millimeters wide. As you can see with the sawhorse, you've still got with the block of wood, you've still got a good 70 or 80 mil for clearance. So just keep that in mind, guys, with when you have to work all by yourself and nobody to help. This would actually work out better than the door clamp tripod that I've got, that I paid I think about $150 or something like that. But something like this is actually a lot more provides a lot more stability, and in that it actually grips both ends of the door. So you know, it's quite solid. You could plane, you could chisel the hinges. So yeah, hope you like this video, and hit the subscribe button to have access to future videos that I'll be doing with simple tips and tricks for around the house. If you're a DIY or you know, home renovator, or you just want to learn something new and not have to go out and buy expensive kind of tools, and just use what you have. All right, over and out. Talk to you later.